Wanjiru and I'm in grade 7. We are going to talk about what these girls are for. As you can see, it is a bone fabric and it was used by the Kikuyu cultural during harvest time. And as you can see, all of us are wearing headscarves. They were used to prevent dust from the shamba as they were harvesting and planting. Now, as you can see, her attire is just decorated from cowrie shells, and she's wearing a different headgear because she's going to represent this group. She's wearing a whistle around her neck. This was used just by the Kikuyu just for cultural dances and ceremonies. As you can see, she's wearing shakers. Now they were used by the Kikuyu women and men during ceremonies. And as you can see, we have wooden rulers. It was used by the aged men, and they were used by the aged men and women to support their back during when they are singing. Now, without forgetting, it is a slow dance. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you.
In front of you is Milimani Primary School, ready to present a Kikuyu folk song entitled
Mwarewito.
Yes, Mwarewito. This song was mainly used during planting seasons and harvesting seasons, not forgetting during wedding ceremonies. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you.